Morning students, in this class I am going to be solve some problems based on that is concentration of the solution, that is about the mass percent and the mole fraction. Based on the mass percent and mole fraction, we'll solve some problems. That is one problem, first problem, check it out. This problem, a solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A to 18 gram of water. Calculate the mass percent of the solute. We know the formula to find the mass percent, that is a mass percent of A we should be calculate. That mass percent of the A solute we don't know which is that. Generally they are going to be represented by A. Then we should write the formula, that is the mass percent of A is equal to, that is mass of A divided by mass of solution into 100. This is the formula we are going to be used to find that is mass percent of A. Here the mass of A, how much they are given? They are going to be given that is 2 gram. 2 gram they are given. Then 2 gram. Then mass of solution. The solution is nothing but solute plus solvent. We know that the solution equals solute plus solvent. Then we are going to be written as the mass of solute is A, 2 gram of A plus 18 gram of water. This we should calculate it into 100. This we are going to be calculating. Then we are going to be get that is 2 divided by 20 into 100. This you can use a simple calculator, that is 2 divided by 20 equals 0.1 into 100. We are going to be get that 10, that is 10%. It's going to mass percent of A is 10%. Like this only we will solve for the other problem also, that is 15 gram of NaCl. The 15 gram of NaCl was dissolved in 225 gram of water. 225 gram of water. What is the mass percent of NaCl in the solution? What is the mass percent of NaCl in the solution? Here the same formula we should use, that is which mass percentage we should calculate? Mass percent of the NaCl we should calculate. Therefore in the formula we are going to be written as, that is the mass percent of NaCl, that is NaCl. Mass percent of NaCl is equal to mass of sodium chloride NaCl divided by mass of solution into 100. This is the formula we are going to be used to calculate the mass percent of the sodium chloride. Mass percentage of sodium chloride, how much they are given? They are given the 15 gram. We are going to be written as 15 gram divided by mass of solution. That is mass of solution is equal to mass of solution, if you need to get, that is a mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Then we are going to be get that is how much we are going to be. Mass of solute is 15 gram. Then mass of solvent is 225, that is 225 gram. total we are going to get 240 gram. We are going to be get that mass of the solution is 240 gram. Then we are going to be taken as 240 gram into 100. This on calculating, that is 15 divided by 240 equals, how much we got? 0.0625 into 100 equals, we are going to be get that 6.25%. This about the mass percent of the sodium chloride. This we are going to be solved in the different ways. One more problem. This is about in these two problems they asked only about the mass percent of the solute they are asked. In some other problems they'll ask both the mass percentage of the solute and the solvent. ಈ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎರಡೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಎರಡೂನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟೆಟ್ರಾಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್. Calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride. If 22 gram of benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of carbon tetrachloride. Here we should know that first we should find out the mass of the solution. That is the mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Here how much mass of the solute? That is the mass of the solute is, that is going to be, we are going to be taken as 22 gram. Then mass of the solvent is 122 gram. Then we are going to be get that 144 grams. Then you can calculate both the mass percentage of benzene and the carbon tetrachloride. First we are going to be calculating the mass percentage of benzene. First we are going to be calculating the mass percentage of benzene, that is C6H6. This is the molecular formula for this, that is C6H6. Then mass of benzene divided by mass of solution into 100. How much mass of benzene? The mass of benzene is equal to how much? They are given 22 gram divided by mass of solution is, we are calculated, that is 144 gram into 100. Then you should calculate now, that is 22 divided by 144 equals, we got the 0.152 into 100 equals, how much we got? That is 15.27. Up to 2 digits we are going to be taken. Otherwise we can round off to 15.28%. It's going to be 15.28%. percent. This about the mass percentage of the benzene. Mass percentage of the benzene. Like this only we can calculate the mass percentage of carbon tetrachloride. That is we are going to be taken as the same formula. That is mass percentage of, that is carbon tetrachloride, that is how much we are going to be get that CCl4, that is the molecular formula. Then mass of, here we are going to be taken as mass of carbon tetrachloride divided by mass of solution into 100. The mass of carbon tetrachloride, how much they are given? 122 gram. Then mass of the solution 144. This 144 into 100. Then you should do the calculation. That is 122 divided by 144 equals, how much we got? 0.847. That is into 100 equals, how much we are going to be get that? 84.72%. That is the mass percentage of the, that is carbon tetrachloride. In the previous problems they ask only about the mass percentage of the solute. In this they ask both the solute and the solvent, mass percentage of both the solute and the solvent. ಎರಡರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅವರು ಒಂದದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ದು ಮಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅದೇ ಮೋಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೋಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಮೊಲಾರಿಟಿ. ವಾಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ calculate the molarity of a solution of methanol in 1 liter water in which the mole fraction of methanol is 0.5. ಮೋಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಡೇಟಾ. ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಮೊಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಮೊಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. First we will calculate the molecular mass of the water. Molecular mass of the water is equal to, that is molecular mass of water, that is molar mass or molecular mass of water. We are going to be get that. That is number of hydrogen atoms is 2, that is 2 into 1 plus number of oxygen atoms is 1 into 16. We are going to be get that 18 gram. We are going to be get that moles ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಬೋದು 18 gram per mole ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು, molar mass ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನು. Then we are going to be taken that that is x, that is chi. It can be mole fraction. We are going to represent by chi. Mole fraction of, that is methanol, CH3OH is nothing but methanol. Molecular formula methanol denu CH3OH is the molecular formula of methanol. That is this symbol indicates the mole fraction. That is the mole fraction of methanol is equal to number of moles of methanol, that is number of moles of methanol divided by number of moles of methanol, plus number of number of moles of water, this we are going to, we don't know, that's why we are going to take on generally n anta tagona. Then the chi of that is a CH3OH mole fraction of methanol is equal to n divided by small n divided by, here number of moles of water means how much they are going to be given, that is 1 liter. The 1 liter is nothing but 1000 ml. Then molecular mass of water, that is going to be n, how much we are going to be get, mole fraction of methanol they are given, that is 0.5, that we are going to be written first, that is 0.5 n whole divided by n plus, that is 1000 divided by 18. This we are going to be rearranging, that you can take the LCM, that is n divided by, that is 18 is LCM, that is 18 n plus 1000. Nothing is there means we are going to be taken as 1, we are going to be multiplying with this, then we are going to be get that is a basic mathematical operation we are going to be done, that is we are going to be get that 0.5 into, that is 18n plus 0.5 into 1000, we are going to be get that 1000, that is equal to 18n. Otherwise in a simple words ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, that is 18n divided by, that is 0.5 is equal to 18n divided by, that is 18n plus 1000. ಇದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, that is 0.5, that is into, that is 18n plus 1000 is equal to 18n. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 0.5 into 18 equals how much we are going to be get 9, that is 0.5 into 18 we are going to be get 9n plus 0.5 into 1000, 0.5 into 1000 equals 500 is equal to 18n. Then 18 we are going to be get that 18n minus 9n is equal to 500. Then we are going to be get that 9n is equal to 500. Then n is equal to 500 divided by 9. 500 divided by 9. We are going to be get that 500 divided by 9. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 500 divided by 9, 55.5 moles per liter. That is moles per liter. This is the unit for the molarity. This is about the answer we are going to be get. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. ಇವು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ನ ನಾವು ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಗೆಟ್.